Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get a new blocky avatar and character on Roblox. First of all, you have to go to in marketplace. Now you have to scroll down and go to this sorting and choose recently created. Now you have to go to in head, sorry, not head, is in character. Choose character from here. Now you have to scroll down. So now you will see this legendary box. This is a blocky avatar you can get. Just click on get button to get it free. And once you get it, I'll show you how to equip it. Now, first of all, now you have to go to in menu and click on avatar. Now go to a character and choose purchased. Now you can choose your new avatar. You can click on it. And that's how you can get it. Hope you like it. So thanks for watching.